Signs that the United States is breaking out from the pandemic may be most obvious in New York City. Once the epicenter for U.S. COVID-19 cases and deaths, the Big Apple is preparing to fully reopen. Mayor Bill de Blasio.
You've gone out, you've gotten vaccinated, you've done so much to fight through this crisis. Now we can see that light at the end of the tunnel.
Starting July 1st, full capacity will be allowed at New York City restaurants, bars, and stadiums. Most Broadway theaters will be allowed to reopen in September. And there's good news nationwide. According to the Centers for Disease Control, 30% of the American population is now fully vaccinated, and more than half of U.S. states have seen a significant decline in new coronavirus cases. The trend is downward, with a reported drop of more than 26% in the last 2 weeks. Soon, the Food and Drug Administration is expected to expand Pfizer vaccine use for children 12 to 15 years of age. But the biggest shot in the arm from all of this is to the U.S. economy. It is recovering quickly at a vigorous annual growth rate of 6.4%. New unemployment claims have dropped to their lowest levels since the start of the pandemic. And government officials say they expect strong, sustained growth, an expansion of 7% for 2021 as a whole. That would be the fastest calendar year growth since the Reagan administration in 1984. While many Americans may be saving their stimulus checks, consumer spending on goods has accelerated to an annual rate of 24%, and more people are starting to spend on services like haircuts, restaurant meals, and travel. U.S. cruises are expected to set sail again starting in July, but vaccinations will be required for 95% of passengers and 98% of the cruise. And in California, closed for more than a year, Disneyland is set to reopen today with limited capacity.
I'm really excited just to be back. Feel the Disney magic again.
Gary Lane, CBN News.